Hello, friends! Today we are once again decorating our phones, and this time we are making what I think could be the most adorable means of transport to exist, the Vespa. The Vespa is a type of scooter that was created after World War II because people needed something to move around easily and cheaply. So, engineer Corradino d'Ascanio invented the Vespa. There is a cute story behind the name of this vehicle. Actually, D'Ascanio was originally commissioned to create the Vespa by Enrico Piaggio, the head of the company, and when he saw the prototype for the first time, he said, "Sembra una Vespa," which is the Italian for "it looks like a wasp." The Vespa has quite a narrow waist, and the buzzing sound of its engine resembled a wasp. The Vespa became a symbol of Italian culture and the Dolce Vita. Because it was created in a country trying to rebuild itself after the war, the Vespa represented the joy of living and the desire to look toward the future. It became an icon of freedom and emancipation for young people worldwide. The Vespa is so famous and well regarded that it even appeared on the big screen in films like Roman Holiday with Audrey Hepburn, or more recently in the series Emily in Paris. Well, friends, if you like the result, make sure to leave an orange heart in the comments. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you very soon. Sweet kisses!